Make I no lie, I never seen any woman wey sweet reach my wife. My wife is too sweet.
Did you hear that? He said his wife is too sweet.
My husband, why you go talk that kind thing outside with megaphone? Who ask you?
My wife, no vex, you too sweet. Now I announce am.
Must you announce everything about your life?
I am going to show you how to create AI movie using these free AI tools that I just used in creating that video that you just watched. That video was never made with Grok. In fact, that AI tools I'm going to show you is 100 times far better than Grok AI. You can use these free AI tools to create video that is longer than 10 minutes and even 1 hour. And if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you are going to learn everything for free. No paid subscription. In fact, let me show you the video I made with Grok and the video I made with this free AI tools.
Make I no lie, I never see. Make I no lie, I never seen.
Now the first step now is to go and get our story. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Cloud, but I would prefer ChatGPT. I just come to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give me a very short story of first scene of a local face me and face you house of ghetto in Nigeria. So I just give the ChatGPT an idea of what I want, but I define my first scene. I tell ChatGPT what I want in the first scene. So and I tell ChatGPT what I want the scene to look like. So you can always tell ChatGPT what you want once you have your idea. So this is my prompt now that I give ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT has given me scene by scene dialogue for the story. This is scene 1 now and it gave the dialogue Baba Emeka. So this is scene 2 now and it gave the dialogue. That was how it gave the dialogue for every scene. So after that, I tell ChatGPT to give me the image prompt in 3D style and maintain face consistency in every scene. So I tell ChatGPT to give me the image prompts and character consistency too. So now ChatGPT has given me the character consistency for each of the main character. It's gave me for Baba, Emeka, Amaka, and Chukwu. These are the 3 important character here. So after giving me the character consistency prompts for each of them, so it also gave me the scene by scene image prompt. So this is the image prompt for scene 1. This is the image prompt for scene 2. So that is how it gave me image prompt for every scene. Now the next thing now is to go and generate our consistency images. There were 3 main characters here because we'll be using them to generate our scene by scene images. Then this is the character consistency. So I first of all copy the character consistency prompt for Baba Emeka. Go to your browser and type Flow AI. Then click on this first link. After clicking on this first link, you will need to sign up with your Gmail address. Then click on this new project. Then it will take you to this interface. Then click here. I change it from video to image. So I select 2 images, so it will be able to give me 2 images. Then I paste the prompt like this. So after pasting the prompt, so I click the blue arrow, then it is generating. So let us wait. Now it has given us the image of Baba Emeka, the character consistency for Baba Emeka. Then all I have to do is to click the one I like among the 2 images. Then click this arrow above, then save it on my phone. Now I'll be able to save it on my phone. Then after saving it, I still go back to my ChatGPT, then go and copy the character consistency for Amaka, who is the wife of the man. So I copy it like this, then come back to Flow AI. I still paste it like this. After pasting it, then I still click the arrow. Then it is generating 2 images already, so I have to wait for it to generate. Now this is the 2 images I got for the wife now. So I just need to save the one I like, so I will save the second one by clicking on it. Click on this arrow like this to save it on my phone. Now it is saving on my phone now. Then I still come to ChatGPT again to copy the character consistency of the 3rd man, which is the friend of Baba Emeka. So still follow the same process, copy it, then go back to interface of Flow AI. Then once you get this, click on it, then paste it, then the blue arrow, press the blue arrow, then it will give us 2 images. Now this is it. So all I have to do is to click the first one. I think I like the first one. Click on this arrow, click on this and save it. Now I'll be able to save the 3 image consistency now on my phone. Now I have all the 3 main character consistency image on my phone. Now this is Baba Emeka, this is the friend, and this is the wife. These are the 3 main character consistency image now. Now the next thing now is to go and generate our scene by scene images, and we'll be using that consistency character images that we generated earlier to generate our scene by scene images now. Now to generate scene by scene images, this is scene 1 now. Then all we need to do is to copy the image prompt for scene 1. This is the image prompt for scene 1. We need to copy it. Then after copy it, then we will read it to know the character, the main character in that image prompt. Now for the scene 1 now, for the image prompt of this scene 1, the only main character now is Baba Emeka. So we just need to go back to Flow AI like this, then paste the prompt we copied, then click this plus sign. We want to upload the image of Baba Emeka. So we click on this arrow above, then click on your photo library. It will take you to the library of your photo. Then this is Baba Emeka that we created the image consistency the other time. Then we just need to click it to add it. Then it is adding now. Now the image of Baba Emeka has been uploaded. So just click it on it like this. Also click it, it will appear here. Now we can see it has appeared here now. The next thing is to click on this blue white arrow. Now it has started generating. Now it has given us 2 images of Baba Emeka. You can see the face consistency is there. The face doesn't change. So all we have to do is to click the one we like. So I'll be going for the first one like this. So also click on it, then click this arrow, then click the original, then it will download on your phone. Now we will be able to save the first image for scene 1 now. Then we'll still come back to ChatGPT for the image of scene 2. Now to generate the image of scene 2, all we have to do is to copy the image prompt for scene 2. Then also copy the image prompt for scene 2. We need to read it. Now if we read it now, the 2 person here is Baba Emeka and his wife. That means we'll be using the image of Baba Emeka and his wife that we downloaded the other time. Now let us go back to the Flow AI interface like this. Once we get here, then we just have to paste the prompt, then click on the plus sign, then click on upload. So we need to upload the photo of the wife of Baba Emeka, this woman, and the Baba Emeka himself. Now click on add. Now we have to wait now. Now we have the 2 images now. Then click it one after the other. This is Mama Emeka. Now it has appeared here. Click on the plus sign again. Then click on that of Baba Emeka. Now there are 2 images are there now. Then the next thing is to click on this blue arrow and wait for it to generate. Now we have different 2 images of them now. So I will prefer this number 1. Then I click on it. Then click on the arrow. Then save it to your phone. Now I'll be able to save it now. Now we have the second scene, the scene 2 image now. For the scene 3 image, so we just need to copy the image prompt like we did for the other ones. Then copy it. Then inside this image, the only main character here is Baba Emeka. So another tenant. So we are only using Baba Emeka image. So go back to Flow AI like this, then paste the prompts, then click on the plus sign to add the image of Baba Emeka. Since it is there already, we have uploaded it already. We just need to click it, then click on the blue arrow and wait for it to generate. Now it has generated the image. So I prefer the first one. So let me download the first one. Click this arrow like this, then save the first one on my phone now. Now the next step now is to go and generate our video using these free AI tools I will be showing you. Now to generate our video now, the first thing we need to do is to come to ChatGPT to our scene 1 dialogue. Now this is our scene 1 now. This is the dialogue now. This is Baba Emeka. Baba Emeka. Baba Emeka was the only one that was speaking in this dialogue and one neighbor too. Like I always say, always copy your dialogue somewhere. you can copy it inside the notebook on your phone. Now let me copy the dialogue now. This is the dialogue now for scene 1. This is the dialogues for scene 1 now. So I just copy it, then I go to the notebook on my phone. Every phone has a notebook. If you go to your phone, you will see something like this. This is a notebook. This is a notebook. So always use it. You can always copy your prompt. After copying it on that notebook, now this is our scene 1 image now, the image we downloaded for scene 1. You can see here that this Baba Emeka holding a microphone, a megaphone. So the only thing that we can use to differentiate Baba Emeka here now is the man wearing yellow. So that the AI video generator will be able to know the character that needs to talk. Now let's go to our notebook now. This is our notebook now. So this is Baba Emeka. We want to be able to differentiate it from other. So we can write the man wearing faded yellow top. Now our AI generator, video generator will be able to differentiate it now. So this is it now. So we still copy it like this. Copy in front of Baba Emeka here too. So when we copy our dialogue, the AI will be able to know who we are talking about. And another thing is that don't load your AI video generator with too much dialogue, so it will not be talking too fast. Now all we need now is to copy the dialogue like this. We have copied it now. Go to your browser and type Dola AI. Now it will bring a link and it will bring the app. So you can use the app and you can just use this on your browser. I usually prefer my browser. Then click on this link here if you want to use your browser. Then after clicking on the link, it will take you to this interface where you will need to sign in with your maybe your Gmail address. So after signing in, then click on more. Click on more. Then click on create video. After clicking on create video, then click on this plus sign to add the image of the first scene. So let us add it now. This is the image of the first scene. Now we have added it. Now it is loading. Then paste the prompts we copied the other time. So I've pasted it now. Now the image has been uploaded. Then what you need to do now is to press this blue arrow like this. Now we wait for our video to generate. Now it has started generating. So it said the video will be generated using CDANS 2.0 model. So I will generate a 10 seconds video. So it has started generating now. Video is ready now. Let us play our video now.
I no lie, I never seen any woman wey sweet reach my wife. My wife is too sweet.
So all we need to do now is to press this blue arrow to download it. Now this is it. Save it on your phone. Now for the scene 2 dialogue, so we still need to copy it again. This is the dialogue for scene 2, right? So we copy it. We copy it like this. So after copying it, then we go back to our notebook again in front of Baba Emeka. So we still need to differentiate it. Paste the man wearing faded yellow. So Amaka is a wife. Let us look at the picture. Now this is the scene 2 image now. So Baba Emeka was wearing yellow dress. So the wife is, what can we use to differentiate the wife here is that the wife is the woman here with braided hair. Then go back to our notebook. Then for the wife, we can just say that the woman that have braided hair. So at least that's enough for that is enough to differentiate the woman. So we still need to copy anywhere we see Amaka like this. Copy it. So Amaka is there. Then paste in front of Amaka. Now we are able to differentiate both of them now. So just copy like this. Copy it like this. Come back to the interface of this Dola AI again. Then click on more. on create video, then click on this plus sign to upload the image of the second scene. Now this is the image of the second scene, then add, then paste that prompt like this, then click on this blue arrow like this. Now our video has started generating.